Okay guys, it's the RC guys back here today. I'm just gonna do the shout out at the beginning of the video. Go check out Tommy's channel. It's the RC Network. He just posted his first video today. It's on this truck too. Okay, so this is a traxxas slash 4x4 1/16 scale. It's running the traxxas 12 turn, not Valenia. And then the speed controller is a XL 2.5. It's running cantilever suspension, just like the e-Revo, Summit, and then the mini e-Revo, and then this. And it's all stock. It has the new traxxas ID battery plug. And another thing it has in common with the e-Revo, mini e-Revo, and the Summit is the battery compartments.
We could talk about the battery system and how to turn it on and stuff.
Okay, so these are just like steps to turn it on. First, you want to turn on your controller, plug in your battery, which is charging right now, so we can't do that. And then you will push this button on your speed controller to turn it on. It's running one servo, which you can, there's an option. Well, it's not straight from traxxas, but if you pop this plate out, you can run dual servo setup for more torque. And like I said, this is the 1/16 scale, so it's a small version. And then this is the body. It's the Mike Jenkins version.
We can show you how my hand is compared on that.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, I can just grab it like that. Wow.
And then the tires, about the size of my palm. It's all stock.
We could even show them about taking this out.
Oh yeah. So, the steps to remove your speed controller. First, you want to unplug your battery,
Obviously.
or not battery, or your motor from the speed controller, and then it slides right out, like for if you need to take it out or burn it out or something.
Yeah.
And then you just close the door right up. It just has two thumb buttons or things that you push in, and then the door opens up. And like I said, this is all stock, so it's running the, instead of there's an option you can put upgrades in it where these are aluminum.
We could put the stiffer. We are thinking about putting this suspension stiffer, just because watch when he drops this. It just goes right down, and it's.
I mean, it's nice for some things, but
not when you're
for big jumps.
Yeah.
No.
That'll kind of break.
Scrapes.
It'll break stuff too.
There's an option where you can get metal drive shafts, and then because this is a 4-wheel drive, under this skid plate right here, there's a center drive shaft which is plastic, but it's a lot beefier than these ones, or not a lot beefier, but it's a little bit bigger. There's optional. You can get different A-arms, aluminum, or my favorite is RPM, which they're just bendable plastic, so they don't break as easy. Oh yeah, right here, you see how this servo has this cover right here, and then it goes into this. So if you put another servo there, if you get like this piece, the servo will connect to it, so you have two servos, or the torque of two servos, because you do have two servos. I'm not sure if he's thinking about getting new tires soon or not.
I kind of want the flippers or spinners, I think they are. Or you use them for
paddle
mud.
tires.
Yeah, paddle tires. Because it is a smaller to 1/16, and it is harder to go through mud, even though it's 4-wheel drive. I could use those. It'd help me a lot. So, and I don't know if it would affect anything with my cover.
It shouldn't, as long as they're the same size.
Yeah.
Yes, it is. It's running the TQ. It's running the traxxas TQ radio system, not TQI. The TQI comes up with the higher end models, like the brushless or the VXL Slash, which I've had one of those, but I made the worst trade of my life, which I regret really a lot. That's
about it.
Yeah, this is gonna be the end of the video, guys. Okay. So like, subscribe, and then go check out Tommy's channel, the RC Network. yeah, I really like this truck. I haven't got to run it yet, but I think we're gonna run it tonight.
Or tomorrow's
yeah,
next
or tomorrow.
video.
But okay, guys, see you in the next one.